All right, everyone, I thought I'd give you a little update of the SketchUp arcade cabinet here. So it's fresh off the CNC machine, just temporarily installed, so it's missing a bunch of parts and bolts and things like that, but this is just to make sure that all the plywood bits fit together well. So I'll give you a little spin around here. We've got logos, got some doors in the back that open up. I'll show you those in a minute. And if you've seen the SketchUp model, you know the color scheme of all these things here. So that's what it looks like from the back and the front. We'll have some speaker mesh in here to sort of block this out. Nice SketchUp logo here, SketchUp branding across the top. We've got a cool SketchUp background on our 27-inch flat screen there. Another speaker grill here to let out some of the sound, and some hidden speaker grills down here in the step box. These will have some mesh in it too to let heat and some of the bass out as well. And of course, a cool red laser keyboard along with a crazy red laser mouse. But let's fire it up and see what this thing can do. So I made, just for the fun effect, when you boot it up for the first time, we got a nice little sound effect, and it automatically launches into SketchUp. And this all happens automatically when you first power the machine on. There's going to be some LED strips down here and in the front, and also some fog emitters down here. So as this thing boots up, there's going to be lots of flashing lights and fog emitting and things like that. There also will be a hidden power switch down here, so you won't have to go in the back of the cabinet, turn on, just be able to flip it on right here. So just taking around the front, these open holes here, these are going to be all bright red arcade buttons that will be mapped to SketchUp functions. So you'll be able to activate things like the pencil tool, rectangle, circle, push, pull, things like that. There's going to be a bomb button right here. So if you hit that, it'll blow up your model and start a fresh one. And then down here, we've got retro mode on and retro mode off. So you can start when you start in retro mode, but if you want to give a more serious demo, you'll be able to deactivate the crazy video game music and all the sound effects as well. And we've got some volume keys down here. When you first boot up, you get some cool SketchUp Adventure Mode music. And, of course, sound effects mapped to all of the SketchUp functions. So this should be fun for kids and things like that to play. And again, if you want to just turn off retro mode, you just deactivate everything and it will turn off retro mode. So you can give a more serious demo, and you can jump right back in if you want. Just taking around the back. It's pretty simple actually how the thing all works. We've got some cabinet doors here. Got some computer speakers and a subwoofer down here. This will be all neatened up for the permanent installation. Everything's just in here temporarily. Got our mids and tweeters up here, subwoofer down there. We've got a Dell PC running everything. Power supply, the fog machine will be on a shelf right here, so we'll have some storage and places to put things here. Monitors strapped into these very custom mounts. And that's it. It's on wheels as well, so it can be steered and rolled around to get it in place, so you don't have to get a hand truck or anything to move it around. But that's it. We'll have more updates soon.